Would you want to leave a legacy of increased suicide rates and increased relationship failure rates, increased divorce rates to somebody you love? No, that's stupid. But how do you change it? You stop working on the relationship. This is knowledge. Working on the relationship is what's not working. This is the opposite of what you feel like you should do because you're a man, and when something's broke, we are designed to fix it, right? Listen, I call it the Jericho factor in my program, and time is not on your side. If you don't take action fast, the longer that you delay getting it fixed quickly, the more people she's going to recruit. She might be a great person, but if she's pissed off and hurt, she's doing some bad things. And one of those bad things is she's telling people, gosh, let me tell you what I've been hiding that I didn't tell anybody for, 2, 10, 20, 30 years that he's been doing. You may not even know what those things are. But guess what? Your in-laws are finding out. Your children and your stepchildren are finding out. All of her friends are finding out. Her lawyer is finding out. Guess what? Fast forward 90 days from now. You've done so much stuff good that she wants to come back. But the longer you delay getting her back, the more people she's told. And even though she wants to come back, she's told a lot of bad stuff about you. And do you think she shared any of the bad stuff that she did with those people? No, she didn't. Nobody does. So what she's done is she's created an environment now of people that will sympathize and not think bad of her for leaving you by biasing those people against you. And now she may want to come back, but she's too embarrassed because she's told everybody what a horrible a-hole you are. And to the point that she's like, well, if I went back to him now, people would think I'm crazy, so I'm embarrassed. That is one of the reasons why time is not on your side. Not only that, her girlfriends are saying, girl, once he's a cheater, always a cheater. Let me introduce you to my friend Boo down at the gym. Guess what? Every day that goes by in the separation or the divorce moving forward, there becomes more enemies and obstacles to overcome. The clock is ticking. You need to do something quick. If you're still watching the video, I'm assuming that you're getting at least some benefit from the content. I want to give you something else. I'm offering right now a free masterclass, and at the end of that masterclass, I'm giving you an opportunity to apply to work with me. The website to do that is denvergriffin.com/masterclass. And if you're enjoying some of this content, please hit that like button and subscribe. I'm posting YouTube videos daily right now to give you free content in order to help you save your marriage. And I want you to be notified as those videos become available in real time.